Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use the Project Performance Dashboard in Zoho Project. The first thing you need to do is open up your Zoho Project account. Once you're in, locate and click on the Dashboards tab. This is where all your project tracking magic happens. The reason we start here is because this is the central hub for all your project's data. Now that we've done that, you'll notice a variety of dashboards. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the Project Performance Dashboard, so go ahead and click on that. This dashboard is crucial as it provides a comprehensive overview of your project's health, including task progress, timelines, and resource allocation. Next up, let's explore the Task Progress section. Here, you'll see a pie chart representing the status of tasks, open, in progress, or completed. This helps us stay on top of all project tasks, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Keep a close eye on this, as any sudden changes could indicate potential issues. Moving on, check out the project timeline. This is a Gantt chart showing your project's schedule, including start dates, end dates, and the current date. Understanding this section is key as it allows us to visually track project progress and anticipate any potential delays. Lastly, we have the resource allocation section. Here, you'll see a breakdown of who is working on what and how many hours they've logged. This section is pivotal in ensuring your team is working efficiently and no one is overloaded. Let me explain why this matters. Staying on top of resource allocation can help prevent burnout and ensure tasks are evenly distributed amongst team members. That's it. You're now ready to use the Project Performance Dashboard in Zoho Project like a pro. Remember, this tool is here to make your project management more efficient, so make sure to use it to its full potential. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.